This gorgeous Craftsman home is move-in ready and located on a quiet and friendly side street just steps away from the vibrant Hawthorne district. It offers the best of all worlds with all the character of a 1909 Craftsman home and modern updates. A wide front porch welcomes you home. Head inside and discover an inviting interior with abundant natural light, brand new carpet and fur floors under the carpet on the first and second floor, fresh paint, stained glass, large windows, and beautiful built-ins. The kitchen is well appointed for the chef and the family with a new refrigerator and new dishwasher. All appliances are included. You'll find a conveniently located full bathroom on this main level. Upstairs, this home of more than 2,300 square feet features 3 generously sized bedrooms, all with large walk-in closets. Other features include a newer roof, newer furnace, newer sewer line, and water heater. You'll find an upper-level full bath with a clawfoot tub. This home also includes a large, unfinished basement with a washer and dryer included. Relax or entertain on the back deck overlooking the private yard. You'll also enjoy tons of storage, including a detached garage and off-street parking for several cars on the long driveway. This fabulous walkable location is just 2 blocks to New Seasons, 4 blocks to Fred Meyer, just about 1 block to the wine shop, coffee shop, brew pub, pet shop, and so many restaurants for foodies and for vegans alike. If you're dreaming of a truly walkable lifestyle, this is how you make it happen. A fantastic, immaculately cared-for home in a coveted neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Misty Fisher with Premier Property Group.